even though most of you are required to be here, because it's still during class time. Right. Well, there's a few here, people from outside. So thank you for coming. I have the pleasure tonight to introduce a couple of friends of mine. I'm Nick Netted, I'm one of the faculty. I have a couple of friends of mine here, Chris Grimley and Roberto Oliveira. They are partners, two of the four partners of Over and Under in Boston. They're an interesting group collaboration given also their background. They're born in Bogota, in London, in Egypt, in New Jersey. And they've also studied in a variety of places, from Vancouver, Switzerland, Brown, Princeton, Harvard, Cornell. And they also taught in a bunch of universities, Carnegie Mellon, RISD, Northeastern, Harvard, and the W, Wentworth, right? So they've also worked for a variety of offices, for Herzog and Demiron, but they all met in Machado Silveri. They spent a bunch of time there. I met them there as well, and I think that experience in Machado Silveri's office has kind of given them the steps for them to be where they are right now, given the variety of work that they do, from design to publications to marketing. Some of this already started before, and they're a very design-oriented group or team, and they design everything from buildings to furniture, from text to exhibitions, lectures, and so on. So, and all of their work is based on research that they actively pursue, and that research could be in the form of facade studies to publications, or how can curating exhibits, how can those things inform architectural practice. So I think that it's a very interesting team in that they don't follow a traditional architectural practice. They are located in Boston, in a location where there's a lot of big, well-established corporate firms, which are quite good. But then there's also a lot of small offices, young firms that are starting up. So even though the young offices cannot compete with the large firms based on RFQs, for example, they're able to collaborate within a smaller circle of a group of young architects, and perhaps kind of subvert some of these established norms of practice. So I think that's one of the most, in addition to the quality of the design that they do, what I find the most interesting about their work is their kind of take on alternative modes of professional practice. That they have their fingers in many different venues. I'm very happy that we have them here, and also you will see that, well, if you drive to Miami Beach immediately after this, you'll see an exhibition that they have put together based on, well, the exhibition in Miami Beach, the reception is immediately after this at 7. It's excerpts from several exhibitions they have done in the past. Currently they have one in Boston, one of the biggest ones that they have in the BSA, and if you're in Boston, you should check it out. It's there up till August. So, let's give a warm applause to
So as everyone hear me? That's fine. Okay, so as Nick mentioned, we are Over Under from Boston, and we sort of